Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat.
Motorhome Diaries 6 to tow without the motorhome.
All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah.
So I never thought I'd be making a Motorhome Diaries actually at home. And we're in unprecedented times at the moment, so I just thought to do a quick video, quick update of what's happening, what's going on, and just a general quick chat really. So at one moment, life's all normal. We're working away. We'd sold quite a few vans. We got roughly about half a dozen vans to get out. And then all of a sudden, coronavirus, that comes along. We had to close down the business the other day because we're not an essential business, and quite rightly so that we do close the business down. So we've shut up shop. We're all in isolation now. We're all at home, and it feels quite surreal really. It feels like I'm on holiday, but I don't know when the holiday's going to end. And I don't really know how long this is going to last. It could be months, it could be all year, I don't know. When all this did happen, we'd actually ran down a lot of stock because we've been really busy. So we were only down to the bare bones of motorhomes, and we were just getting ready to restock back up again. Share a thought really for motorhome dealers and caravan dealers who took possession of the new 2020 motorhomes and caravans. They're sitting on a lot of stock because this time of the year is normally your busiest time of year in the industry, and we don't know where this is going to go and what's going to happen. I do think we're going to lose a few businesses, and that's through every single industry. As far as our business goes, we've written the year off now. We've just basically said we're not going to do another motorhome this year. If everything gets back to normal by October, then we're 2 months ahead of our own little target. So what we're doing now is self-isolating with the family, schooling, jobs to do, and to be honest, I've never been so busy. I've got 101 jobs. So I've got plenty to keep me going. When it's warm, I'm outside. When it's raining, I'll come inside and do jobs. And just crack on, that's all you can do. So stay safe everybody. Keep your hands, wash your hands. If you're going out, keep your distance. Now I have got some videos in the pipeline to do which I hadn't edited before all this happened, so I'll try and get them out. I've got some couple of reviews left to do. Make some models to put out for you, and if there's anything else you'd like to do, if you want to do a question and answer, if you want to do anything in particular you want me to do, I'll film it because I've got plenty of time on my hands. Put it in the comments below. Any motorhome dealers out there, get some comments in the comments below, introduce yourselves, let's see if we can do some question and answers, and let's just, as an old community, get round together. So everybody stay safe. Massive, massive, massive shout out to all the nurses, doctors, everybody in the infrastructure that's helping us to beat this disease, or this virus. So a massive shout out for them. I have actually enrolled to join the volunteer service as well, to actually just chip in and give my little bit. But everybody stay safe, we'll get through it, and let's build this community together.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat.
There is a lot of hard work that's involved in actually getting motorhomes and caravans out through the door, and it is tough at the top.
I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never.
Now another Cathargo, and this one I really do like. Oh, it's not range!
Now they really calling up. Now they really wish that I was home.
So in the morning, we had a Trigano trip.
I don't wanna feel so alone.
can we get the
All they wanna
diesel?
do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money.
Still a tight elbow, when it
And they
really?
don't want nothing to do with peace.
I got that completely wrong, didn't
Up in that whip, they call police.
I? Entrance.
I'm
Entrance.
driving, yeah, I'm speeding on a leash. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone. We be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. I don't even know. All my conscience gone.
Now this is a proper
At
garage.
the store, two on the corner of
Really
my
said
road.
it would be on his fucking back.
Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now.